greetings, it's Victoria Lovelace here and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I am good. I know, long time no see, but finally I am back with another video, and this video might not be so surprisingly for you guys, but it's actually gonna be a little haul, unboxing video, try on haul of course. So I have a little package here from DOLLBLACKS. So DOLLBLACKS, they sell like a lot of, they have a lot of different style, like all from mall goth to gay fashion to a lot of different styles on the website, so you should definitely check them out. I'm gonna put the link to the shop in the description. So DOLLBLACKS was very nice of sending me a package here with some items which I am also gonna try on. I am very excited about them. So I kind of like forgot what I picked because it was kind of like a while ago, because it took a while for the package to arrive. So I'm kind of like, it's gonna be like a happy surprise, because I kind of like forgot what I choose from. So yeah, and also before I'm starting with this little haul, try on haul as you wanna call it. So we'll give a little shout out. As you guys may see, I'm actually wearing my own merch. As you guys might know, I don't know if you guys know, I have my own merch. Finally, I know some of you guys have asked for that. So I have that, and this is actually a dress from my own merch line. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but you should definitely go to Style by the Vampire. And Style by the Vampire is actually not only my own merch, it's also my own clothing brand. I have my own clothing brand. I'm like, oh my god, I'm kind of like, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I know I put them in some of my newest video. You have the link to Style by the Vampire. But Style by the Vampire is a new Gothic brand. And all the design, I made it, all the design there. So yeah, it's everything. I have some jackets, it's dresses, it's tops, it's some leggings, and you name it. It's a lot of different stuff, so you definitely should check it out at stylebythevampire.com, and you have the link in the description, so you definitely should. I'm like, oh, this is so nice, yay. So yeah, it's a lot of different things there. So you just to go and check it out. And of course I ship worldwide. So if you want to support my little clothing brand, my little design, you should go to the link in the description. So yes, I guess that's what it is. So now we are gonna continue with this little haul and this little package from DOLLBLACKS. And we are gonna open it. So let's see what is in. I was about to drop it, but here is everything that hides in this package. And we are gonna open it and see here what's in here. So here you can see DOLLBLACKS, and they have a lot of things. So yeah, so we are gonna see. Oh, look at it. Feel this material. It feels so soft and nice. And look at this one. Ooh. See, as I said, I kind of forgot what I picked because it was kind of like a long time ago, because it took a while. Like always, you know, Sweden with the costumes and everything, it takes forever. So I kind of like forgot. So here it is. And this is kind of like a little like sweater kind of dress-ish thing. And as always, it's a little bit hard to show here. But I think you're gonna see here. Here is the hood. And as you can see, the hood has small like devil ears, which I think is super cute here. That was kind of like I choose this hoodie because I think it was very cute with those little small ears. And this is size probably super comfy too. And it's not too warm either. See, it has a zipper here. And like this. And it's also have a little nice broderie here. In the back there it says, let's see what it says. It's a little bit hard to read, but it says girl power. That's kind of sweet. So it's a nice embroidery here and those small little devil horns, which I actually love. And it's have those, and also another detail I really like it about this one is actually the arms. It has like a little like kind of like witchy kind of like arms, like gets wider at the end, which I think is super nice. So yeah, I'm gonna try everything out. So yeah, and one thing I want to say, like, because this clothes is coming like from usually China, so you guys should be aware that the sizes might be a little bit different than your size. So I will really recommend you check the size chart and your measurement, which I always do. And usually I usually size up a lot. I'm a small, but I size up sometimes two sizes are large, which is a lot also because I'm very tall. I am 176 centimeters, which equals to 5'9" in American measurement in inches. So I will recommend, especially if you're tall, maybe size up maybe 2 sizes, because things tend to be a little bit short on me. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So let's continue see what is in here. I see something here. And what we have. It's a little print here. A little bit look like me, right? I don't know. I think that it looks a little bit like me, but of course it's not. So here is a little like t-shirt, and it's you can see here it has this print, and as I said, I don't know, it looks like it's a little lot kind of me. That's kind of interesting. So yeah, well, it's a t-shirt, as you can see. Little print there. So we are, as I said, we are gonna try everything on also. So yeah. And let's see here, and here is the next item, and open it here. And this is a cute little top here with the print here, kind of like an angel thing, Memento Mori. So yeah, it looks like this, and I really like this little details here with the like attached like arm thing is here, which is kind of cool. So yeah, it looks like that. Kind of like, I think it's a little bit like more like a crop top actually. So yeah, as you see, I mean the sizes, it's not really big. I think I picked actually a large in this one, and you see it's not that big. So yeah, let's move on to the next item, and we have here something else. Let's open it. actually a skirt. And it looks like this. Ooh. Oh, yeah, now I remember actually why I picked this skirt. It was because of those little detail here. I think that was kind of cool. This little coffin on this chain with those coffin details here. So yeah. So this is a cute little skirt. So it looks like this, and I really like those yeah, details. And it also comes with a belt too. And I'm gonna open it. Oh, this heart is very, very cute. So I guess it's gonna go here. Well, it's a little bit hard to see, but you will see it when I try everything on later. So yeah. Yes, let me see if there is anything here. Ooh. And this is actually... what this can be. Ooh. Oh yes, I remember I choose those. It's kind of like I don't know how to explain it, but you have it on your legs, kind of like a little like accessories. You can have it on your boots or shoes, and yeah. So it looks like this. It has a cross here, and yeah. So you have it like on your legs. Well, easily I cannot really show you right now, but you will see when I try everything on later. But kind of like a leg warmer thing, I think you can call it. Like, but it's not that thick material. It's actually like a thinner, so it's more like for not to keep you warm, but more like for, I guess, like an accessory, nice accessory. So let's see. This was actually everything, and yeah, so hang on guys, and we have everything here, and everything is gonna be tried on, so hang on guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and if you did so, I will be very happy if you can give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel. And so see you guys in the next video. Bye!